Ebi byona byizero bwa nyuma ya Uganda kushara budget ye sente z'abakuzire bate bakashabo biyambi ihanga rya South Korea. Obwa hati barino batahira ama district gatari gamwe na gamwe kubugana abantu abakuzire.
As you know, Korea we have a manpower, we have a finance. But unless we cry, other people cannot listen. So when we have a good proposal, and then when we have a good proposal for this program, also Korean manpower may come this way, and then they may help. They may help this all others with good manpower, even with the finance.
Aba nibenda kutandikaho insurance y'abakuzire hamwe n'irwariro eri kuragurira abakuzire bonka.
Korea, I heard from the representative of Korea, they are very much interested in this elderly program, which is performing in Sheema. So we want to be a bridge between Sheema and South Korea.
Nyuma abaziaba babwina habebembezi yo mu district ya Sheema.
Abacho okureta health insurance nabajango wabo aba muzeyi batandika baba muzeyi emyaka 10 kokito hanuya yasi imyaka nsanzu birogo yawe nankaga bikugisi usanga umuntu yagira mpango n'umuzeyi kandi tuzemo omwankaga natakabiri mwe nabacho echa health insurance kuba kizire kubize kwa tugambera kandi bari able to supportinga twaje ngo ruhango ugu no wembabazi
twina ba staff nubaza kuzayo bamushange abari kwenda ambulance ejo niyo package twimena ambulance services estukuza ku bantu kozesa za kwenda abantu mbyaro uwo twatanise n'abanywanyi bitu akorwa mu South Korea.
Uba bene babugana habakuzire aba South Korea bareberwa bari kucamura abakuzire ubwo bari kubeshongorera. Nabwa nyuma abagurisi n'abakikuru nabo bacamwira aba South Korea ubwo bari kuzina agakaragara mu twist. Gasha kwa mayi kwa twakire.